Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Variable.
What does the dictionary say?
Having the nature or characteristics of a variable.
Math rap.
Sometimes X, sometimes Y. A variable is a mysterious guy. It's a symbol for a value we don't know before we figure things out, and the answers show.
Math rap.
Why are X and Y so amazingly incredible to the point that there's nothing they can't do? Because they're variable. Explain a variable in your own words. My scientist friend told me that there are 3 kinds of variables: independent, dependent, and controlled. Research and learn about them. What is the value of X in this equation? X plus 24 minus 24 plus 24 minus 4 equals 30. Write out 5 different equations with X or Y as variables. Share them.
Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!